Hello fellow agents, my name is Pedro Soriano. I am an agent with Realty One Group Connect in the Monroe, Connecticut office. Today I want to show you how I added Google reviews to my website using the OneSuite portal. This can be done with any website, even if you manage it with the OneSuite portal or not. You just have to be able to add a widget. This is also 100% free. So if you want to learn how to do it on your website, stay tuned. Now here is my website. We're basically gonna make it look like this. I kind of made it blend in with the colors, so I don't have to play too much around it, but this whole section here can be customized to the way you want it. For me, I like the button here where you can just have your clients click on it and leave your review. It opens straight to the review section where they just fill in the stars and the details of the review and submit it. Very easy to do. So I'll show you that in a second. Now here are the step-by-step instructions. I'll see if I can find a way to link this information as well, but you basically go to this website. There are many more websites out there that you can do this from, but this one is one of the free ones. You go to this website, you create a profile, and basically we're going to take a section in the website, create a widget. There's tons of different widgets for reviews there, but we're going to focus on Google reviews. Once we choose our review, we're going to create the widget. We're basically going to take that template, modify it, change the layout, change your font, change the colors, any customization you want to do. Once you have that completed, then we're going to take that information from the widget and put it in your website. So I'll show you that here in a second. Okay, so here we are on the website. If your steps look different than mine, just make sure you're in the root of elfsite.com, hover over widget, hover over reviews, and then click on Google reviews. Click on the red button here, create widget for free. You can customize this later, so just continue with template. So find your business name. The search here doesn't work for me, but just go to maps.google.com, find your business name, and once you find it, copy the entire URL, paste it in here, click search. Once it finds your Google Business ID, select it, and this is your reviews. So you can go through all of these, change it however you want, and then when you have it ready, add to website for free. Click on this button down here, and then once you have that installed, click close on the top right here, and then click on install. This is going to give us the link we need for the OneSuite website. So copy this link or just keep this open and I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so to add the code that we just created on the website to your website, you want to go to the One Login if you haven't managed through here. When you click on OneSuite, it's going to open up here. Go to Website Editor. That's going to open up this up. Click on your name up here, Manage Widgets. You'll get Content 1, Custom Content 1 through 5. We just need to enable 1 and drag it to the top. So I enable Content 1. Drag it to the top and I enable it. Don't forget to hit save. Once you come down here, it'll say custom content 1. You want to click the little gear, edit. This is the heading. This is the name that matches here. I already changed it, so you can go ahead and make that what it say whatever you want. Then go to content, double click on iframe, and here I'm going to put the URL of the one we just created so you can see it in action. Click OK, save. If you choose a different type of template or layout, it might look weird here. That's because in settings, the content in iframe, there's a height and width that you can play with. So play around until it fits nice and neat. This is what works for me, and that's really all you need. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know, and if you need any help doing this, let me know as well. I'll be happy to help you.